So I got cut off because for whatever reason the Wi-Fi cut off, but you can read this. I'm just gonna leave it up for a bit, but yeah. We apologize for any inconvenience for this accident it may have caused. As always, we value your continued support and patronage. Morris. Thanks, Morris. Cool. My parsnips, yes. And as always, we're going to put a singular parsnip, single one, in here for the bundle. The other ones we'll sell. Selling all the other ones. Make some money. Make some money. And I think my watering can is in this chest over here. Yep. But we will go to Pierre's and go get some more parsnip seeds just because. Got my cauliflowers. So, got something. But look, we sold our first parsnips. Let's go. Today is going to be a good day. I'm actually looking for some more dandelion. I threw that one out and now I'm gonna regret it because no, I can't find any. Right now I'm trying to waste a little bit of time because Pierre's doesn't open till 9. It's only 8 in the game. All of these flowers. Normally there's so many flowers everywhere. So we have the egg festival and the flower dance. So it's also almost Mary Louise's birthday. Oh, Shane, we haven't met. Cool. Still trying to meet everybody. There's a lot of people to meet in Stardew Valley actually. And surprisingly, I haven't updated my game yet. Come on, Pierre. Open. 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 Please. Okay. We go plant parsnip seeds now. Go say hi to Pierre. Or not Pierre, Harvey. Oh my god. Yeah, bud. But yeah. Well, at least we got to sell our first parsnips. I'm so excited. I have been like I've been waiting because I knew it took like 5 days to grow, but you know what? Because I don't really need a whole lot more. Again, I'm selling just so we can make some money this season. Because now that we have our singular parsnip and our singular, well, I needed to grow 2 cabbages because Jody will ask for one in year 1. So I know she'll want one at the end of this season, and then I need one for the bundle, and then 2 potatoes. I don't remember if someone asked for potatoes, but I just had like the need to. But because Jojo finally fixed their problem, we can go to the mines. We can go to the mines! The mines, everybody! So that's what we're gonna do today. We don't have any food, but you know, We'll just wing it. Try not to die. Wing it and try not to die. My favorite. Horseradish. Hi, Linus. I would never do that. Freaking a-hole move there. Okay. The mines. So we're gonna get the cutscene with Merlin. Look at us. I was just peering down into the old mine shaft. It's been abandoned for decades. Still, there's probably good ore down there. But a dark place, undisturbed for so long, I'm afraid it isn't the only thing you'll find. Here, take this. You might need it. A sword! Name's Marlon. But, by the way, I run the Adventurers Guild right outside. I'll keep an eye on you, prove yourself, and I might think of making you a member. The mines are a dangerous place. You may need to engage in combat. Would you like to enable the auto attack feature to help you fight off enemies? Sure. I don't care. Hey, this is the mobile. If it makes it easier, then I'll do it. Okay. So we are gonna go down. This auto attack kind of sucks. Trying to get some more copper so we can upgrade our pickaxe. We also need it for various other things. Die. It's like a weird where I can hit the slime myself, or I can... Die. Please. Whew. One, that should bring up my combat points. Need all of this stone for something, but I really came down here to kill some monsters and get as far down as we can today, just so we're closer to where I would like to be in the mines. at least get to level 5, okay? There's one. Hey! We made it to level 5. We don't have a whole lot left of this day. We're so exhausted already, so. They want us to get to level 40 in the mines. Oh my god, this is so dark I can't even see where I'm going. Okay, we're gonna get exhausted. So we're exhausted. We're going to leave the mines. I guess this was a good first, you know, we got to at least level 5, which is where I kind of want to be at on day 1, and I normally try to get way lower when I get another day, which I normally do on rainy days when I'm free, and I'm not really worried about missing doing like crops and stuff. So we are gonna head back and probably empty out our inventory. There's a little bit of everything in here. Some of it is definitely keeping stuff, you know. I don't normally keep the slime stuff. I normally sell it because it's a mob drop and I don't really need it for anything, so you know. Definitely going to sell all of this slime. But I think that's it for today's little fun. We explored. As an ambulance goes by. We explored the mines today and we didn't die or pass out, so kind of proud. It is only 7:40 in the afternoon, so haven't quite gotten to that midnight grind yet, but I don't have any food. I don't have any food right now. And trust me, I'm not eating parsnips. We will get real food. But yeah. Excited. We get to sell our first parsnips. And all that leveling up. Let's go.